Is your WhatsApp stuck on the logo and not opening on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can solve this not opening problem on your WhatsApp. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear App Cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to WhatsApp and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.